turn it on all the way up. Decan it first, but about medium, medium high, because anytime you have dairy in the pot, it can scorch. Trying to get a nice thin slice or a decan for this. So we're just going to kind of take the top off here. Going to take the bottom off there. Cut straight down the side. And then we're going to remove this inside piece, right? And you kind of have one plank. For the pepper, if you're cutting this way, you don't want to go too fast because that membrane there will catch